coming in a major reprieve for Aam Aadmi Party as Satyendra Jain has been granted bail by the Rouse Avenue Court in the money laundering case. That's the big breaking news we're getting to you right now, viewers. The court has said that the trial in this case does not seem likely to end very soon. The breaking news we have is that in the money laundering case, the Delhi court has granted bail to Satyendra Jain, the former cabinet minister in Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party leader. Rouse Avenue Court granting him bail in the PMLA case, the Prevention of Money Laundering case. He was allegedly involved in the money laundering case registered under the provisions of the PMLA. And that's the big breaking news we have right now. Remember, he has been in jail for for around 2 years, and he was a former health minister of Delhi and Aam Aadmi Party leader. And it's a major reprieve, big relief. The Delhi court, remember, had earlier reserved the order, and now he's also, remember, co-accused in an ED case as well. So that's the big update we are getting right now. Bail for Aam Aadmi Party leader Satyendra Jain in the PMLA case. And viewers, this is the latest update we're getting on Satyendra Jain, the former health minister of Delhi. And he has also been an MLA of Delhi. And he's in fact will be released after 18 long months, at least 18 months spent behind the bars. Many controversies also had emerged. Videos of him from the jail also had gone viral, and remember, the ED had arrested Satyendra Jain earlier. And for more on this, I'm joined by senior editor Shravan Sen. Shravan, it's another Aam Aadmi Party leader who has been granted relief by the court. Tell us more about the case and the grounds on which he has received the bail.
Well, in fact, this certainly comes across as a big relief for the former Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain. Just to take our viewers through the case that was registered against him. Remember, the first case that was registered was the disproportionate assets case, registered first by the Central Bureau of Investigation. And the allegation was that, one, there was hawala transactions that have taken place and land parcels that were bought by Satyendra Jain as well as his family members, which includes his wife. In fact, this very case was taken over by the Enforcement Directorate, where they said that there was proceeds of crime that was tracked by the Enforcement Directorate. Not just that, remember, his name had also surfaced in the liquor scam. But the reason why Satyendra Jain has been behind bars was particularly to do with the disproportionate assets case. Now, the counter argument that has been made by Satyendra Jain in the court has, number one, been the hawala transaction itself. The hawala operators who were examined by the Enforcement Directorate, some of them were from Kolkata and a few other cities. The question that time and again Satyendra Jain, and even for that matter Sanjay Singh, in the plea that have asked, is that where exactly is the money? The recovery hasn't really been made by the Enforcement Directorate. We're waiting for more information to essentially trickle in from the court in terms of the observations that have been made, the order that is expected to come in a short while from now, the details of the order. But certainly this is a big boost for the Aam Aadmi Party. This comes at a time when most of their senior leadership who were behind bars are now out, starting with the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, then of course Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, and now Satyendra Jain being out of the jail. As far as the agency is concerned, remember, for the agency, the argument that they have always made in most of the cases is that they've objected to the bail plea on the grounds that they could actually influence the witnesses in this particular case, because they are influential people, and that could essentially result in a situation where they may be in a position to perhaps influence the witnesses. That is the reason why they have essentially objected to it. Now, as far as the court is concerned, the court has time and again raised this issue that till the time the trial actually begins, you cannot incarcerate a person, and that is the reason why largely what we have essentially seen in most of these cases that it has actually gone against the central agency.